Ta-ta-da! This is how it look, and this is from craft beer, Dubai se. And this is Gujarati paper probably. And this is the 3 bar, like some smuggler ban gaye. So yeah, these are the 3 bars, and let's see. I like the finishing touch key that they have given in gold only. Oh, it's heavy. Just wow. नीचे वाला वो नहीं देता ना मजा आता, but it looks gold, like fine gold 999 this and it's very heavy. It has a weight, so you can like keep it like this. तो दूर से तो अच्छा लगेगा ऐसे, और ऐसे टोटल 3 हैं, तो अगर मैं ऐसे करके ऐसे रख दूँ तो it will look like कि हम, and this added touch is also like a delight की. And these are the things that is heavy, so मैं इसको भी साइड में रख लेता हूँ. So let's just show you this. So these are the 3 things, and 1000 gram लिखा हुआ है, and that just look at it like this, like a metal अंदर कुछ तो है, मैं वो और तो नहीं तोड़ सकता, but just look at this gold bars, and like this looks good, like this looks like you have gold, I have given you gold, just it's amazing. And I'll just show you the weight, and this is like 119 grams, and this much thick it is. Quality wise okay, मतलब very good quality. Scratches I think नीचे का भी वो कर देते ना, it would have been a perfect like, but ऐसा feel करके ऐसा हो रहा है कि metal का है. And just see, and it can like stack it up, ऐसा दिखता है कि ऐसा, बस ये है कि नीचे से थोड़ा सा वो ब्लैक नहीं होता ना, तो it would have been like a perfect, but it actually work as a like a conversation starter or something like that. Link in the description. Bye bye.